Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto Service and Interior Detailing. We've come to a client's house in Pitt Meadows. The client has a little puppy. The puppy was in the seat in front and had a little mishap. So he did the big job. She had left him in the car and stepped out for some time. And looks like the puppy had a field day in the front of the car. Releasing himself. So this is basically the puppy poo that we are going to try and clean out for this customer, and wanted to take a before and after video to give you an idea as to what kind of jobs we can do and we are specialists in. So this is the before video. Most of the poo is in the front seats, in the rear console, other places. And I'll take an after video once we're done. Thanks. So this is the first stage that we're doing. We're doing wet extraction of all that can come out. And we're spraying our special formula as well. We typically don't use too much of chemicals, but in this instance, we have to spray it down to remove the food. And then after this, we will do an extraction, and then we will do a steam cleaning on top of this as well. So as you can see, the seats are getting totally clean. All the poop is coming out. And we'll get into all the corners and steam clean after this and make the car brand new again. Hey guys, this is Vic again from D&V Mobile Auto. This is the Toyota Camry that we had started off with. Had a little puppy had done some a mishap on the front seats and the center console. So this is the after video of the same car. As you can see, the front seats are totally cleaned and shampooed. The driver's side seat is also fully shampooed. The center console is has also been totally cleaned out. Client is extremely happy, and that's what makes a difference. You can see the mirrors and the glasses are also clean. Thank you. If you have any questions, please call us at 604-518-6684. Another successful job at D&V Mobile Auto and another happy client. Thank you.